cat has got the blues. 'Cause I had made all my gifts this year, and no boxes I did use. These are the gifts I get come in boxes, and they're purchased from a store. I said usually the gifts I get come in boxes, and they're purchased from a store. And after the gifts are taken out of those boxes, my cat sits in them on the floor. But this year I got into crafting, and I learned how to crochet. Oh, this year I got into crafting, and I learned how to crochet. So nobody's getting anything from the store, they're all just getting something I made. And what this means is, mama, that no boxes will be used. Only scotch tape, wrapping paper and ribbon, no boxes I do use. Which means there's nothing under the tree for my cat to sit inside. So now my kid has got those Christmas cat blues. James got nothing on this, baby. Watch out, yo. On Christmas Eve I woke up and I realized I forgot to make something for my wife. Oh no, I woke up and I realized I forgot to make something for my wife. And it's too late to crochet something now. No sir, I simply just don't got the time. But the good thing that comes from this is I have to drive down to the store. Oh, so I'll have a Christmas gift for my baby. I have to run out to the store. Which means my cat will be happy again, because a box will soon be under the tree once more. Some advice for you. And now we're at the end of the song, and I have some advice for you. Always have one gift in a box under the tree, so your cat won't have those cat Christmas blues. Merry Christmas, kitty. Enjoy your new box.